Easy Access has been a family-owned and operated company for over 35 years and continues to be a leading producer of high-quality aluminum access solutions. We specialize in designing safe, durable ramp and stair systems that eliminate elevated barriers for a wide variety of structures and spaces to allow individuals to get where they need to go. Because each site is unique, having products that can adapt to any location is essential. Whether you need an ADA-compliant ramp to provide students and staff access into and out of a portable classroom, or an OSHA-compliant stair to provide job site workers access into and out of a mobile office, we have you covered. Our modular systems are made of prefabricated components that can be combined and configured to fit your site's exact specifications. Our products are not only highly versatile and adaptable, but also incredibly mobile, easy to install, reuse, and even store or transport if moving to a new site. Something that other materials such as wood and concrete just cannot offer. Our products are designed and built in the USA in our state-of-the-art facilities located in Washington State and Kentucky. With both East and West Coast representation and over 350,000 square feet of manufacturing and distribution space, we are able to provide efficient, nationwide service, shipping off-the-shelf product within just 24 to 48 hours. If you can dream it, we can build it. No matter the project or stage you're in, whether planning for future needs or implementing an immediate solution, we have the experts and the capabilities necessary to make your site accessible. We are your trusted provider for aluminum access. Visit us at easyaccess.com.